and welcome back to Coop. Coop is a place where we talk about travel, luxury, lifestyle, planning, and everyday entertaining. So here we are again. It's June, and I'm going to be opening up the June subscription box from my fave, Cloth and Paper. And so we're going to start off this unboxing just by taking everything out of the box and seeing what's here. I'm still so impressed that they are continuing to send us these dust bags. So the first item in the box is this catch-all tray. And I love this little tray because it goes along with the desk set items that they have sent us this year. You know, we've gotten a paperweight, and we've gotten a picture frame, and we've gotten a few other pieces that are matching this desk set. So I really love this catch-all tray for paper clips, earrings, any little tiny things that fall on your desk. And now, of course, we have all of our journaling cards. So we got this beautiful tone on tone journaling card that says women who wear black lead colorful lives, which was a lot of fun. So it's a beautiful embossed card. And then we got our August desk calendar. All year long, they have been sharing with us these desk calendars, and I love them. And then, of course, our card that tells us what's inside the box. Moving along, of course, this beautiful linen dust bag. The first item we have is a notebook, and it's a really beautiful left bound notepad. What I love about this notepad is that the binding on the side is in this beautiful gray linen, so it's very elegant. While it's a notepad, it's also very beautiful. It also features these grid lines so that you can, easily take your notes. Gives you quite a few sheets. See me flipping through, you can see the size of it, but it's tape bound here on the side in this beautiful gray linen, which adds that elegant touch. Really, really like this, going right in my purse. And next, they always send at least one, sometimes two dashboards for us. This is a beautiful dashboard, also tone on tone. I like tone on tone because it really gives that luxurious, elegant feel. And it simply says, "You deserve luxury." It's very, very beautiful, very, very nice. And then they gave us a horizontal layout daily sheets. So this is the month of July. It comes with the monthly goal sheet. It comes with a monthly calendar sheet. And then it comes with your weekly horizontal inserts. So you can see for the entire month of July, starting with the last week of June, we have our inserts in the horizontal style with a Monday start. And then they also included in the box both August and September, all with a Monday start, which I always appreciate. And so you can see there, this is for those 3 months, July, August, and September. Really appreciative of those inserts. And the final item are these clear index tabs that are for the months. So this is really cool because you can put your inserts into your planner, and then you can put these tabs in to separate the months. So I'm just going to demonstrate a little bit about, kind of showing you how those work. Very flexible tab that's really thin, so it fits easily on your pages. And so I'm just flipping to the month of July just to show you how this tab could be used. You could use this to divide all sorts of things. You could even put a label over it and change what the tab is for. But you could divide your monthly budgets. You can divide your monthly projects. You can use this in a variety of ways. It doesn't have to only be used in your calendar and in your schedule. And then I thought maybe I could try it on a dashboard and put a dashboard in front of the month. And then that way it had a little bit more stability. And so you'll see I am just adding in this dashboard here for July. And then I am going to just add those July inserts. One thing I love about cloth and paper is the quality of their paper. And I really can speak to that because for many years I was a production manager that did printing, and the quality of all of their paper and inserts is really top notch. Really, really top notch. I'm always really impressed by what they send. And that concludes our video for today, friends. I thank you so much for watching this unboxing with me. And leave your comments below. Do you subscribe to Cloth and Paper? I'd love to hear. Bye-bye.